thieving bastards! You filthy motherfuckers, dude. Oh my god, listen, Merry Christmas. I'm glad it's over, dude, but anyway. I got a couple cool fucking Christmas presents. Dude, shouts to my mother-in-law. Or ex-mother-in-law. But you'll always be my Mama Carol. Gave me this, dude. Five pesos, dude. But this is pure silver. Look at how big this shit is compared to this. Look at 5 pesos nowadays. 5 pesos. Which is worth 25 cents. Okay? Back in the year on this is 1953, I think, or something like that. What was it? 1953. So in 1953, dude, for 25 cents, you got, that's damn near an ounce of silver. It's the same fucking size as an ounce of a minted ounce, dude. Like, I haven't thrown it on the scale yet, but, dude, it's nice. There's even engravings on the side that say words, agriculture, education. It's good, good shit, dude. It's got the eagle and the serpent. You know what I mean? That was cool, man. I was like, fuck, cool, thank you. But it got me thinking, too. Look at how hard we're getting fucked, dude, just by people. Like, you used to get this was worth something. You know what I mean? A hunk of silver was worth your labor. And you traded this to somebody else. And then they just took it out. And now we're all just working and trading garbage. I'm just saying, think about it. Think about it. Okay, now I'm going to get into my really thing. Dating scene, dude. I was like, okay, you know how hard it is for Eljo to catch a date, dude? Apparently, yeah, like any, just like fucking old, mildly retarded motherfucker, yeah. Okay? Not easy. Like, I don't like damn near trick a bitch. But I don't do that because I don't want to waste fucking time. Okay? Pretend I'm something I'm not, say I'm something I'm not, and then, anyway. So just getting a bitch to show up is like a task in of itself, right? So, and I'm like, I want that because it's fucking comedy gold. You don't have to have a guy writing stupid shit down, commentary and all that. You go on one date and I throw all that fucking papers out the window because all I gotta do is just talk about the date, dude. So this, somehow, some motherfucking indigenous crazy Indian from the Amazon got a hold of a fucking cell phone and got on the fucking Facebook dating app, okay? I'm like, dude, this chick shows up with a fucking spear and a fucking bag that I'm assuming was a small animal not too long ago. Okay? I'm like, dude, like a fucking grass skirt. It's like, is that a grass skirt? I'm like, is that Versace? It's like, no, it's lemongrass. No, it's fucking Lake Chichocana fucking Reed. Like, what? What the fuck? What is this? Is that Dulce Gabbana? No, it's fucking, it's a native grass that grows. Like, what the fuck? How the actual fuck did you get a phone? How did you get your hands on a phone? No. She's a sweet girl. Cool. Great. Had more gums than teeth, right? Like, imagine, like, your teeth are like that big. Her gums were like twice as big. Oh, it was fucking crazy, dude. It was like a great white shark. You know when a great white shark opens its mouth? Go look. It's like they pull all their fucking membrane back. And there's just gum. I can't even do it, dude. I don't even, because I have more teeth than gum. You know what I mean? Strange. How the actual fuck, dude, did you get a phone? And then, like, this is like a real fucking Amazon rainforest person, dude. That, like, they, like, fucking sharpen their teeth and shit. And it's like, you have, like, itty bitty little teeny tiny teeth to begin with. And then you sharpen them into all these little pointy things. Have you guys ever seen that shit? I gotta say, I like the indigenous look. I was going for you ever see the Inca or the Aztec or even a Mayan, like, statue from the side and it has, like, a hooked nose and, you know what I'm saying, and the high cheekbones. So you got that going for you, but then you're like, they're just like all gums and a little tiny pointy teeth. And it's like, how the actual fuck did you get your hands on a phone? How the fuck did you get a fucking iPhone? And then I remembered about the fucking, during the migrant crisis. We're the ones getting fucked, people. Okay? We are. Because when that migrant crisis happened, all these little fucking indigenous, short, non-GMO, meaning they have not been genetically modified by genetically modified food substances and drugs and medications. So they're, first of all, like 3.5 feet shorter than everybody else. And there's just a lot of little things, dude. Like, what it really is, too, is just really, conspiracy theory aside, is we differ. And I know this as being a professional cat breeder, dude. Okay? The animal husbandry. That there are certain characteristics that other groups have and you don't see or know about it ever. The folded ears is a good example in the cat kingdom. You know, something we've seen lately, right? The hairless sphinx is another example, okay? So, and apparently, fucking Amazonian gum shark lady, fucking, you know what I mean? It'll gum you to death. I was thinking, like, thank God you take good care of yourself. Because if you had gingivitis, it would be, I bet you could get the plants in the room to fucking wilt, dude. You know what I mean? But she was actually clean as fuck and smelled super good. Yeah, swear to God. Yeah. But the gums, it's I don't know if I could get over it, dude. It's Shark Lady. And like, here's the funny thing. Just whatever, you know what I mean? You got somebody to show up, great. You got a story about Shark Lady who fucking gum you to death. I'm not thinking any much more of it. My son tells me, hey, Dad, that chick had big gums. Oh, shit. I'm like, okay. Not just me. Hilarious, dude. She'll gum me to death, Dad. Oh, man. Yeah. That happened, dude. How the actual fuck did you get a phone? Oh, yeah, that's what I was going to say. So check this out. How the actual fuck did you get a phone in the Amazon rainforest? Like, how? And when that migrant crisis happened, and all the people gathered here on this beach, and they were fucking hanging on the wall, and that was all the fucking photographs and shit, like fucking National Geographic showed up, and everybody with a fucking camera for weeks. And all the migrants had really bitchin' phones, dude. I was like, what the fuck? It was like, dude, there was like people, I remember standing there, and I even started shooting my mouth off about it. Because I felt like, oh, this needed to be said. Like, the people, dude, from Azteca television, you know when you're going through those weird fucking channels that nobody watches on the weird fucking frequency, like the Spanish channels? With fucking Azteca, that's one of those networks, bro. And that's like a big network. And they're there, their cameraman had fucking... I mean, they were nice, but they were just like generic Walmart hiking boots. Like a $24 pair of Walmart hiking boots that you would go get. brand new. You're staying crispy. You know what I'm saying? That's right. That's what it is, dude. I fuck you, and the first thing is the shoes. You know, that's how it is. So you want to stay crispy on the shoe tip, and my man's doing it. But guess what, bro? The fucking migrants had Jordans on, dog, like real Jordans, and fucking. Now you could be like Eljo. China can send anything to fucking Honduras or fucking Honduras or where, what was the other one? Where they said they were coming? The Honduran migrant crisis. There was something else too. Guatemala? I don't know, but whatever. Whatever it was, okay? The fucking boat can go there from China. And just like, because people will buy that. And they're not looking like, is it actually authentic trademark shit or is it not? I don't know, but it's good. It looks good. It looks real, indistinguishable. Okay, probably real, because if it wasn't real, it would have fell apart after this fucking 2,000-mile journey that you just took, right? So, or because look, because that's how it is here, dude. Okay, real good. Like, really, dude? Really? I'm probably sitting in it right now from head to toe. Like, really, dude? If you really fucking look at it, I guarantee you this is not a fucking registered trademark ideas, but somebody just makes it and puts a name in there, doesn't give a fuck, but makes it good. I don't know. Actually, it's quality, so it's probably good. Like, I go for quality because I'm on the motorcycle, dude. And it has to be able to get wet and fucking dry quickly and hold, you know, a good appearance. And the fake shit unravels into tattered rags quickly. So I'm just clowning myself. Maybe not. Maybe. I don't know. Don't care. Doesn't matter. All I know is that the Hondurans were flossed up, dude. Like, they all had nice ass shoes on. If it wasn't Jordans, it was a pair of fucking Nike Flights, dude. You know what I mean? Or like, yeah, that's all it was. Or like Reeboks. No, I don't think I've seen any Reeboks. That's more, but there was other shit. I'm just not remembering offhand, but it was all like nice shit. And I was like, bro, how the fuck these guys got better? Because I was making a video. Oh, everybody's standing behind the fucking, so I'm standing next to fucking TV Azteca. Oh my god, look, they got better shoes on than the fucking cameraman of Azteca. And I'm like, you know what I mean? And then, phones, bro. How are you and me standing up here with cracked ass, fucked up, jank phones, and these motherfuckers got iPhones like big. You know they're good, dude, if it's big and thick and heavy and it's like not cracked up, dude, and shit, because it's quality screen. You got like a big ass, nice, like a $24 damn plastic protector on there, you know what I mean? That you could dab off of. You know what I'm saying? Like, so what the fuck, dude? Because they're probably not mining bullshit down there, you know what I mean? They're probably not going to fucking Toys R Us or Walmart and buying $437 worth of fucking plastic crap that bare minimum the kid's gonna outgrow, and that shit's gonna end up in a landfill or in the fucking ocean. They say you have enough plastic in your body right now to shit out a credit card, man. Huh? With that 3D printer you call a butthole. Oh, yeah. You can thank me later, dude. You can thank me later. For the 3D printer you call it. I'd thank you. Damn. If I'm hook your boy up with a 3D printer you call a butthole, I won't be mad at you, dude. I'll thank you. I'll be like, wow, thank you. Like, here, Aljo, please. Take my 3D printer you call a butthole. I'd be like, really? Thank you. What? Even Shark Girl, dude. That came out of the fucking Amazon rainforest just to kick it with Eljo, dude. Yeah. Yeah. And didn't have gingivitis. You have more gum than teeth, dude. The ratio is off. See? That's the other thing. There's a genetic characteristics that you're not familiar with, like the hairless sphinx or the fucking Scottish fold. You know what I mean? You're just trying to drop some fucking super gum on your boy. I'm not even mad at you, dude. I'm grateful because I got a story out of it and, a cool friend. Yeah. Because actually it wasn't a fucking grass skirt. Not just stupid fucking jokes. Yeah. Anyway. Oh yeah, okay, so yeah, dude, what's up with the 5 peso coin over here? Hey, anyway, look, man. I'm just gonna keep it short, dude. You're 15 minutes into it. I hope everybody's having a fucking great Christmas. This year, this is my attitude. I've been saying this a lot lately, and I'm making this my New Year's resolution, and I'm taking it forward, dude, into 2022 with this. And you might be on board. And that is, I'm going to be myself. I'm going to do me, and you can suck my dick from the back. If you don't like me, you can ride with me. But if you don't like me, you can suck my dick from the back. And I'm just saying that, just coming out. I didn't think about it. I just been saying it. I've been posting it a lot, and I started thinking about it. And I came to the conclusion that it is legit. It's coming from my spirit, and it's how I feel, and it's where I'm going. And the reason that I'm probably saying from the back is because that's the only place you're going to be able to get to it. Because I'm going forward. You understand? I'm going forward in 2022 and fast. That's the intention. Fast enough. We're the only place, if you don't like it, you're definitely going to get the fuck out of the way. No matter who you are, what you are, how you feel, you're going to get the fuck out of the way. And if you want to ride, you could ride. If you don't like it, or me, you can suck my dick from the back, because that's the only place you're going to be able to get to it. Because I'm going forward. And at such a fast rate. You get it? You get it? You get it? So I want you to get that. Because it's going to be thrown around a lot in this coming year. And I suggest you get on board. That's the thing. Because here's the thing. You don't want to people please. People pleasing is out, dude. Those people do not try to please you when you had a need or you were hurting. Right? And I'm going to tell you this too, dude. And the reason that I am able to pull people out of the fucking rainforest, okay, is because my intention is good and it's love. And it's just like in the chat, on social media, anywhere, I'm through being fucked up. Even to people that don't like me or that have been at odds with me in the past, I got nothing but love for you, dude. For real. I think about all the good shit. How about if you've done something really bad, dude, and super heinous? I'm not thinking about that. How about fucking that, dude? I understand you'll nail a motherfucker like that to the fucking wall, to a cross. And that's okay. I'm cool with it. Because here's the thing, dude. It is more attractive than the opposite end of the stick, which is being standoffish, hating people and your enemies or people that disagree with you, and people will respond before you even open your mouth. When you come in the room, and it's just the kind, I don't understand. Why do they pick? Because you're putting energy out there like that. So my energy is nothing but love, and in a little bit of time, I've already seen it start to come back. And hey, man, yeah. On the chat with people that don't like me or in their fucking panel or they're doing something, I'm watching or lurking or whatever, and then maybe a comment will be made, or maybe I'll make a comment because I don't like when people pick on other people, or whatever. Maybe you just rubbed me the wrong way in the past, whatever. But it quickly quickly has been coming around to, I got nothing but love for you, man. Whatever. Cool. Yeah. I am whatever you say I am. In the papers, the news, every day I am. Huh? It's okay. I don't give a damn. It's just the way I am. Like the Eminem song. I sit back with this pack of zigzags and this bag of this weed, and it gives me things that I need to make me the meanest MC on the face of this earth, and I'm gifted this curse to just curse, so I curse. That's cool shit, dude. I am whatever you say I am. In the papers, the news, every day I am. Nowadays, they won't even play my jam. It's okay, because it's the way I am. Huh? Stay fucking golden. Showers.